In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Dynamic Textbox widget in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element and open the Widgets tab. Search for Dynamic Textbox and add the widget to your form. Enter a question or prompt that explains what users should type. For example, you can ask users to list previous employers, team members, or any other repeating information. Next, open the widget settings. Set the default fields value to choose how many text boxes appear when the form first loads. You can also customize the Add button text, adjust the widget size, and change the button color to match your form's design. If you want users to see how many text boxes they've added, enable the Count Text Boxes option. When you're finished, click Preview Form to test the widget. Try adding and removing text boxes to make sure everything works as expected. Once you're happy with the setup, click Publish to generate a shareable link or embed your form on your website. That's how to use the Dynamic Textbox widget in Jotform. Thanks for watching.